Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to sharpen your chainsaw blade in just 5 easy steps. First things first, safety is key. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your chainsaw is turned off and the spark plug is disconnected. You don't want any accidental starts. Alright, step 1. Secure your chainsaw. Use a vise or a clamp to hold the chainsaw in place. This will give you a stable base to work on and avoid any slips. Step 2. Identify the cutting teeth. These are the small, blade-like protrusions on the chain. You'll be sharpening each one of these. Make a mark on the first tooth you sharpen so you know when you've gone full circle. Step 3. Grab your round file and file guide. The file guide helps maintain the correct filing angle, usually about 30 degrees. Position the file in the tooth's groove and push it forward. Repeat this for each tooth, making sure to use the same number of strokes for consistency. Step 4. Check the depth gauges. These are the small tabs in front of each cutting tooth. Use a depth gauge tool to ensure they're at the proper height. If they're too high, use a flat file to lower them. This ensures the teeth cut effectively. Finally, step 5. Clean and lubricate. Once all teeth are sharpened, clean the chain with a brush to remove metal shavings, then lubricate it with chain oil. This will keep your chainsaw running smoothly. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to a sharper chainsaw blade. Remember, a sharp chainsaw is not only more efficient, but also safer to use. Happy cutting! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more